the winter of this year is gone, and the sweet flowery season has come. I hear by the hedges in many ways the refrain of the small birds. The green meadows and the thick orchards have filled me with such joy that I have set my mind to singing. All the space in the world is taken by a tree that was born in it, high and large, branching, leafy, and grown so wondrously, and it has taken over everything so that wherever I may turn, I see 2 or 3 of its branches. Beyond the ports it has crossed into France and come to Pato. And I know it is in such an enclosure, and I tell the truth according to my knowledge, that it will remain green forever. And it is so rooted that it will hardly ever be filled, for its root is wickedness, by which youth is confounded, and finds such opposition from those who should obey it, that they don't even cry out for someone to come rescue it. I wonder about the powerful. There are many young and hoary, earls and kings and admirals, and princes hanging from the tree. But the noose is stinginess, which makes their necks so flaccid that not one of them can hope to budge. Youth was once called bold, but it is now so degenerated that it will never be honored enough for joy to be returned to it, because cowardice conquered it so that it has never been able to deliver itself, since right and faith have left it. For a long time nothing has been given to it. Here by the known barons it is dispossessed and exiled far away, and where it took refuge, Marcabru tells it by messenger that it did not need to flee so far, for it will never be caught here.